Hi guys, today is September 14th and it is Monday. On Mondays, you are supposed to attend all of your classes. So you had 30 minutes with each of your teachers today. During our 30 minutes today, we did a class Kahoot. The Kahoot is worth a test grade. So what I need for you to do in order to get credit for the test is to make sure that you log in and take the Kahoot. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do that. First of all, you're going to log into your class, Google Classroom. All right. And then you're going to go to your classwork. And then you're going to scroll down to week 2 and it says Google Site Kahoot. You click on it and then you click Play Kahoot. And it will take you to the Kahoot. Now on here, because I'm on my normal computer, it says download to the App Store or get it on Google Play. Since you guys are on a Google Chromebook, you would get it on Google Play, or you can just go to Kahoot, and you can put the code in. So you would click play. And here is the game pin. I don't know why. I guess the game pin here is that wouldn't be the game pin here, right? Is that gonna work? Let's see. It does work. So you just put the game pin in and then you'll be able to do the Kahoot on your own. All right. So then it says it's for iOS and Android only. So your phone, or I think you guys can actually do it on Google Chrome. I don't have a Chromebook, so I'm not able to check it, but I know that it can be done. One thing that I want you to do is to put your last name, comma, first name, or last name and your first initial, and then put your period. So put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 7, so I know what period it's from. You can put that in the front of your name or you can put that in the back of your name, but I need to know your period because I have 190 students. So I need to know what period to look for you so that I can put in your grade. So remember, last name, comma, first name. Last name is the most important one because I have lots of Jadens. I have lots of Jaylas. I got a couple of Michaels. So make sure that you are putting your last name and your period. Those are very, very important. So anyhow, like I said, you were supposed to meet in all of your classes today. And also, if you got below a 70 on the Kahoot, you did it with me on Monday and you got below a 70, then this is also your opportunity to retake the test. So go ahead, use that game pin and get it done for me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.